Hey my friends, what's going on? In this video today, I want to share with you 7 income streams that you can actually use to create 6-figure per year or 5-figure per month online utilizing the internet. Those are 7 income streams that I've actually used personally and I've had so many people use. So in this video today, I'm going to break it down for you. Hey, my name is Keder. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time on my channel, definitely subscribe below if you love watching videos about entrepreneurship, business, how to make money online. That's what my channel is about and that's what I'm helping you do. So let's break down this video, okay? So in order for you to create this, you must be someone who really have the desire to create online income. Okay, I'm sure if you're watching this video, more likely you are. You know, I was one of those people who stumbled upon an ad one day on Craigslist and it says you can actually make money on the internet instead of driving to a job or, you know, going to interviews and getting a job and then getting fired and then get another one, going through this whole cycle of the process of living the regular life of having a 9-to-5. And then I figured out, hey, you can make money online. Then I figured out it's not just you can make money online. There's multiple ways to make money online. Then I quit my job and I started, you know, making money online. And I'm like, oh my God, it's a whole crazy world. Now you can go on YouTube, watch people like me, watch different videos, and people actually blatantly show you. And you see it on your own eyes that, oh, it's possible. Back in the days, there was just a few people winning on the internet. It was not that many people knows about it. And now I feel like information is power, but how you use the information, that's how it's really powerful and useful. So let's share with you my 7 different ways, 7 different income streams you can actually start using to make money online. The first one I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing now is where you promote somebody else's product where you don't have your own product. Now, this is one of the easiest way to get started, but the key to affiliate marketing is going to be audience. Now, if you look on Instagram, you can see pages that has millions of people. If you look on YouTube, you can see videos that's getting millions and millions of views. When people monetize them, they can promote somebody else's product and they can make money. Now, if you think about it, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the main thing you're gonna need to understand is how to get an audience, is how to get traffic. So if you're someone who used to get used to the mindset, I don't want people to know me, well, it's gonna be hard for you to do affiliate marketing unless you build it under a brand. So the key with affiliate marketing is people. If you can build an audience, if you build a YouTube channel and you have thousands of people watching or hundreds of people watching your video, and you can promote an affiliate product to them, guess what? You're gonna end up making money. It's simply by finding someone else that has an affiliate product and you can make money with them. Like some of those affiliate product I promote here that makes me money. This is someone else's product, not mine. This is someone else's product that made me money. This is someone else's product. Every month they keep cracking money from selling someone else's product. Let's say someone else was selling the product for $100 and they give you 50% commission and so on. It could be a high ticket where it could be $500 and you still get, you know, $250 or $1,000 and so on. You get the point, okay? So that's very much with audience. The second income source, a t-shirt business. Now, or merch. You know, not just t-shirt. There's so many different things you can sell. Again, it comes down to an audience. Now, let's say you're passionate about something and you create a YouTube channel about it. Like my wife over here that has a channel into the DIY niche, and she get a bunch of people that watch her video. Like her last video got like 30,000 views. She got some videos with almost 500,000 views here. And she sell merch to those people because she create a whole brand and have people buying, you know, different t-shirts, you know. You can call people a certain name and you put it on a brand. Like, let's say you love playing the guitar and you create a brand about, you know, musician and playing the guitar. Then you can sell them t-shirt that says, I'm a musician, I'm a guitar player. You can sell them teacups. You can sell them so many different things. And that's the cool part about that. But again, an audience is required. This is where your most work is going to come in when it comes to this business model, is by creating and cultivating an audience of people who would want to learn about what you have. So one of my main ways I teach people to do it is to go on Facebook. If you have a Facebook profile, max it out. Find people that's in your niche that would be interested in whatever that you're going to be talking about, and then put them in a group where they all can watch your videos and tell them, hey, I have a brand new video, go check it out. If they're already passionate about that stuff, it's not going to be a problem. Okay, income number 3, drop shipping. Drop shipping using a site like Shopify where you can get products overseas. Again, it's all gonna have to do with finding the audience. With drop shipping now, you can do Facebook ads where you can find the audience on Facebook and you target those people specifically. So you can start creating a drop shipping brand where you can start selling different products from AliExpress. You know, you buy them for, let's say you go to China, you don't even have to go personally. You just go to AliExpress, that's like your China, and you find a product for $9 and you go sell it for $30. Now you make $20 profit. And if you was to sell it through Facebook ads, and every time you spend $10 you get a sale, meaning that you ended up having a $10 profit. Meaning if you ended up spending $200 on ads, maybe you ended up making $400 and $200 will be profit, and scale up, you know, 20 if you're gonna spend 2,000 and so on. You can do the numbers. So that's one other ways you can start making money. All right, another way you can start making money, guys, is to create a digital course. Creating a digital course is really powerful, and that's number 4. Okay, when you create a digital course, if you know certain things, if you know how to do certain things, let's say you know how to run an internet business, you can create a digital course teaching people how to do it. It's not just for internet business. If you know how to work out, you can go to the gym and actually put all your, you know, have your friend record you doing all your exercise and then put them in a file and create a digital course. You can use platforms like ClickFunnels, Kajabi's, and you put the videos in there, and then you charge people for a digital course. Hey, pay me $47 and I'll show you my tricep workout and I'll show you all my workouts. Then you can go in and have the same body that I have if you're someone that's an athlete. If you're a baker, you know how to bake cake and all those different recipes. You can create a website and giving people the recipes, some of your best recipes, some of your best tricks. If you're a dog walker, believe it or not, if you go on ClickBank, you'll find people who sells product on how to take care of your dog, how to walk a dog, and all that stuff. Really, if you put it out there, you find the audience for it, you can actually sell it. So my question to you, what do you know how to do? Do you know how to do certain things like that and you feel like, man, I can really help some other people with that knowledge that I have? If you do, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking right now. And then take action on that. Create a digital course. There's a process to create a digital course. If you'd like to know more, leave a comment down below and I'll send you to another video that teaches you step by step how to create your own digital course, okay? The next thing, which is number 5, I want to talk about is called joint venture. Now, joint venture is usually after you already have an audience cultivated. Maybe you have a list. Maybe you're already promoting some different products. So you want to joint venture with somebody else that has a following, or maybe they have a course, or even if they don't have a following, if they have a course or they have something that you can sell that would be of beneficial to your audience, what you could do is bring them onto your audience. It could be a webinar. You could do a webinar joint venture if you have a list. You send out an email to the list and say, hey guys, I'm going to have a webinar with so-and-so. He's done 6 figures, or he's done 7 figures, is in business and his business, and he's going to teach you exactly how to do it. So you guys can construct a webinar together. Boom, they jump on the webinar. If you have 100 people on there, let's say it was even converting at 2%. I'm saying on a low end, right? 2%. Let's say he was selling something for $1,000. You guys ended up making $2,000. He gets 1,000. You get 1,000 for doing nothing but having your audience, but just by introducing him. So that's an extra $1,000 to your pocket. Now I imagine if he's converting at a higher level and you can get a lot more people on a higher end, you could be making 5, 10, 20K just by having an audience and having a joint venture webinar for a course that this person have, whether it's a high ticket or mid ticket or low ticket course. So we've done pretty well doing joint ventures with other people. Matter of fact, even if you have a YouTube channel and you collab with somebody else that has a bigger YouTube channel, they introduce you to the audience. One of my men actually over here, one of my mentor, Cameron, actually been watching his videos for a long time on YouTube. We actually met at a Vid Summit event that was happening in Las Vegas, I think, and we chatted up together. We talk about business, and I ended up being a guest on his channel. He introduced me to his audience, and from that, video, I was able to get so many different clients, other people who come to me and ask me questions. Kind of the same thing. If you have someone else up your alley in your niche, it could be someone that with higher subscribers or lower subscribers, or higher people on the list or lower amount of people on their list. As long as they have good value, remember the audience is what matters. So as long as they have the audience, you guys can collaborate together, bring something to the table where it's going to be a win-win situation for the both of you. That's a joint venture. Okay, number 6 now. Number 6, once you have all that strategy under your belt now, what you could do is your own coaching service. Coaching doesn't have to be like you the smartest person when it comes to the internet. Coaching only means that you have to know a process. If you know a process that lends the results and someone else wants you to spend your time, that you could have been doing the process for yourself, to spend your time to teach them exactly step by step how to do it. They can ask you questions, vice versa. If they have any questions, they can have direct access to you and say, hey, Keder, what do I do here? Hey, I'm stuck here. And then you can coach them, say, hey, I know the process. Guess what? I've been baking cakes for years. I'm going to get on the phone with you, and while you're baking your cake, let's do a coaching session, and I'll give you all the ingredients. That's going to take your time. Now, coaching is different than just a digital course. A digital course, the person has to go through it on their own at their own time, but coaching is more likely where they can have access for back and forth, asking you questions, where you can help them through the process, and it kind of makes it a lot easier, because a lot of people, they kind of hands-on people, and they learn better. But at the same time, you as the content creator, or as the person who's going to be the coaching, the person who's going to do the coach, that's going to do the coaching, you want to be compensated for your time. You don't want to go out there and coach people for free and you're not going to make any money, because time is the most valuable assets that you have. You know, I can sell someone a course for $97, for $100, for $9.97. You know, I only have to do the course one time. It takes one time of putting it, shooting it, and putting it all together. But when it comes to coaching now, I'm only one person, and you have just the amount of time in a day. There's only 24 hours, and if I was to split myself to give it to everybody that wants my time, and it's not gonna be worth it to me, you know. So you're gonna make your time worth it. You gotta charge a certain specific price for coaching, and then once you have your coaching business started, get your first students, you know, once you help them going, get a testimonial from them, put it on a coaching page, and then tell people, future potential clients, hey, go check out my other students' results that I'm working with. Boom, then you can start making money from coaching. I charge people anywhere between $1,000 to all the way up to some people $10,000 to $20,000. It depends on what I'm gonna be coaching you on and what I want. What you want me to help you with your business. As you can see here, I have a coaching page where people can actually find all my coaching, and I do charge for my time. So you can create your own coaching and get things rolling that way, okay? The last one that I want to share with you, not last but not least, is AdSense. If you create a YouTube channel, the first thing is to get the YouTube monetization rules, where you gotta get 4,000 watch hour time and 1,000 subscribers, which can be a hard process for someone getting started in the beginning. But let me just send a few pointers your way if you're getting started and you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, or 4,000 hour watch time, how you could do that. One of the best way to do it is to go on Facebook, max out your Facebook, and then whenever you release a video, go put it on your Facebook wall, and then ask people, send people messages, tell them, hey, please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, or create a group about the specific, or whatever your content is going to be about. If your content is going to be about married couple, create a group just for married couple. Then everybody who's married that you know on Facebook, add them to that group. Then talk about specific issue that married couple faces, whether it could be, money management, whether it could be, a time with the kids and managing a house and all that stuff. So if you make a video about that stuff, like the other day I was watching another channel. So if you're making videos about that stuff, you put it in a group, those people, they would be interested. How to time manage, how to help their kids with homework and all that stuff. So now every time you put a video, you put it in a group and you tell those people, hey, I know you're part of the group. Also, I want you to subscribe to my channel. So if the group goes to 1,000 people, you should also have 1,000 subscribers, and you can get that done a lot faster. Really, guys, it's a really simple strategy you can put together and make it happen. I was watching a video the other day about this guy. He has this sex ed channel, and this channel, a lot of people follow it. And it's growing really fast because people want to know about sex education, especially older men that's getting a little bit older. They want to understand about erectile dysfunction and all that stuff. And he talks about that stuff on his channel over here. I think that was really, really cool. So, you can grow it and have a page, a Facebook page, and people that are interested in that, they can still follow your journey as you grow. And your AdSense now, once it's monetized now, every time they watch a video, you're gonna get paid when the ads play. Anyway, guys, that was Keder. Just wanted to share this value with you. If you do find any value in this video, drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later. Appreciate you. Bye.